Hi, teacher. My name is Mitzi Flores. I'm 23 years old. I was born on February 13 in Lima. I live with my parents and my siblings. I study business administration and international business. My favorite subject is foreign trade because I'm interested in international business and how companies work with other countries. I work at Peru Pharma as a distribution analyst. In my free time, I like reading and listening to music. These are my two favorite hobbies because they help me relax. I'm taking this course because English is not just a plus in my career, it is important skill that I need to develop for my professional future. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.